Hello there. So tonight we're going to be installing this Tyger under the seat toolbox holder thingy. The one that came with the truck. This is my 25 Chevy Silverado. The one that comes with it underneath the seat. If you get one underneath the seat, sucks. It's tiny. I'll take you in there. I'll show you. This is a lot bigger and it's going to hold a lot more stuff. So let me show you the one that's in there right now. Alright, so this is what we're currently working with. You can kind of see a side view there, and I will take you. Let me go around and flip the other side up. But yeah, you can kind of see there's not a lot of room. There we go. You can see I have some stuff in there. Doesn't hold a whole lot of stuff. I got a couple of first aid kits, some jumper cables, umbrella, rain jacket, and and a jack. So let's get this thing ripped out of there and put the new one in. And this is the jack. Go ahead and put the jack out here. Comes out, and then I'll go get some sockets and take these out of there. Actually, I'll just use a wrench. Looks like it's a 10mm. This one's kind of wampus there, so. All right, take this plate off. Set that to the side. Getting closer. I think I got one more over there. Just popped right out. So, there we go. Take this one out. And I think I'll vacuum this up real quick. That's not too bad. It's interesting that they cut this to put that other one in there. So I guess you can't put it in with this. I would have thought you could. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, so that's kind of interesting. It's actually in a bag. Put this in here. Just gonna take the bag off. Oh, yeah, that's right. Kind of feels right. Yeah, there we go. Cut the bag off. And the reason I went with this one, as you can see, it actually fits down on the screws right there and there. Some of the reviews of some of the other boxes, they complain that they don't actually have that set up for putting the jack back in there. So yeah, that's why I went with this one, and it was a pretty good price. I think I paid $128 for it on Amazon. So there was other sites that had it for $175, but if you look around on Amazon, you can kind of get this guy pretty cheap. So let me get the jack put back in there and get it all buttoned back up, and it should be done. Okay, so if you look here, you can see that this jack does not fit, but they do have an adapter. So I'm going to get this adapter put in. Alright, I'm going to use a 10mm deep socket. Much quicker. Yeah, it won't fit over there though. Alright, so that's in. But it is a little wonky. It doesn't sit flush because the back of this bolt here is rounded. So yeah, it doesn't sit flush, but it's gonna work. Alright, that's it nice and tight. Let's go do the jack handle side. Alright, that's in. Now the little screw that was right here, they don't have one in this new container here, so there's not another screw to hold that in, but there's no hole down on the bottom for it to even go into, so I don't know what it was even for. Alright, so let's put the chair down. And yeah, it fits on there really good. Alright, let me fill it up with some stuff. Alright, well that is everything that I had in there before, and there's a lot more room to put a lot more stuff in there. So yeah, this is a pretty good investment for 128 bucks. I recommend it. So if you're curious, I did test out a laptop bag, and a laptop bag does fit in there. So yeah, if you're taking a laptop, you need a place to stick your laptop bag out of the view of others, you can actually stick one in here. So that was one of the big reasons for me getting a bigger one, is so we could put more stuff like a laptop bag in there. Well, hopefully that video was helpful for you, and if you're curious about this Tyger underseat toolbox, there you go, there you have it. That's what it will look like, and how to install it. So it wasn't too hard to install. Like I said, just a couple of bolts and easy peasy, and it fits a lot more stuff than the factory one, if your truck even came with a factory one. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up on that one. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye-bye.